I'm going to show you guys how to ascend a tree with a rope runner pro. So you take your little rope runner, your rope runner pro, attach the bird first, right? Kind of how you do with the rope wrench. Alright. Alright, and then the bottom slick pin is last. So top to bottom when you're putting it on, and probably bottom to top as you take it off. So there you go. I have the canopy anchor up there. I know that anchor point is safe, secure, it's solid, it doesn't even budge. So anyhow, I like to put my foot ascender on first, come up, tend that slack, throw your chest harness on, go ahead and begin attaching your foot ascender, and then I like to come up right here up to the bridge, my attachment point at the bridge, because if I have it off to the left or to the right, it's going to create too much friction against the side plates here in the knee ascender, or in the ascender, the actual ascender, the mechanical piece. So now that that's done, just stand straight up and move your feet up, and as you move up, your ascenders do their job, and the straighter you are going up, the easier it is. It also does help that your toes are kind of poking the bark, and it just helps you get a grip, keeps you from twirling around. Sometimes that'll happen. So once I get up to my desired point, or point at which I'm going to begin cutting, just remove that knee ascender, make sure the foot ascender is disengaged as well. Sometimes it does help to have the foot ascender engaged, but for what I'm doing, I don't need to. I don't need that foot ascender. All right, so get my secondary on, and then we will begin cutting. Alright, so next I'm going to clip this branch here. The dead nub, and I need to get out onto that branch, so I'm just gonna come up a bit here and just move my device up manually. Great. Okay, so we can begin to cut, and that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for supporting my channel, and until next time, y'all, have a wonderful day. See, when you take it off from bottom to top, you don't have to hold it while it's slouching over. It just stays nice and upright for you, like that.